Hello and welcome to my quick review of the Hunia RC 2.4 GHz Bulldozer bought off eBay for around £30 to £40 depending on who you buy it from. This RC Bulldozer has a 2.4 GHz controller, what is shaped just like the RC Bulldozer but with a lot less buttons. All you have is your left forward and back and your right forward and back, and an up and down for the Bulldozer's bucket. You cannot independently control the bucket angle. It's predetermined from how high the arm raises it. As you can see, as I've lifted it up, the Bulldozer bucket has just pulled itself back, and as I let it down, it straightens itself out. Now that is done automatically, it cannot be controlled indirect. The controller takes two AA batteries, and it has the actual unit has a 400 mAh 4.8 volt NiCad battery with the small JST connection. When you decide to do movement with the RC unit itself, it lights up front and back. On whichever direction you are going. It's quite quick. Well, it is compared to the Hunia digger, what you might see in the background. The actual bucket for the unit is actually made out of alloy. And so are the metal, I don't know what you call them, like a flooring towards the cab. It also features 4 chunky rubber tyres. And generally a nice little thing. Charging the battery is very easy, as it comes with a USB charge controller, and that charges it up within half an hour, I'd say. It's quite a good fun little device. It's another good quality toy made by Hunia. I hope I'm getting that pronunciation right. And it's quite good fun. It also has servo stoppers, so you won't damage your servo when it reaches end of track, such as that. The battery is the only thing I'm a little bit bothered about. To use the battery, they included a hatch with a screw, which I find strange, because every time you want to open to change or get out the battery, you'd have to undo a screw, a small cross screw, which I think is ridiculous. I've took the screw off, I've kept it just in case, and the actual hatch clips on fine, so I don't see that being a problem. Also, it can be a little bit tricky connecting the battery to the actual unit, as inside there is not a lot of length on the connector, so there's not a lot of wiggle room and not a lot of play room, so that can be a bit of a pain. She'll just zoom in for you now and show you both. I got on about 40 minutes out of the NiCad, which was included with the RC digger, which is parked next to it, and I imagine I'll probably get about 30 minutes out of this RC Bulldozer, because it doesn't use as much power, because it doesn't have lights, or, well, it does have lights, but it doesn't have the sound of an engine, and the lights only come on as you move. And I can't imagine that drawing a lot of power. However, it is a lot of good fun, and for 38 or £40 you definitely cannot go wrong. If you have any questions about the unit, please feel free to comment them below, and I shall try and help you out with both vehicles.